Hello everybody. Today we are going to be installing ActivInspire and the driver so we can use it with the board. If you've seen my tutorial on how to install Land School, the process is very similar. It's almost in the exact same spot that you found Land School. It's on a network share, so we have to go to my computer, and it's under the U drive. Disk data, departments, EdTech, and under Promethean. And by the way, there's a bunch of stuff over here that's worth taking a look at, so feel free to poke around in there and see if anything is useful to you. And once you're in Promethean, it's under most recent software and driver, and you need to install both of these. We're going to go with the driver first. And it's running from a network share, so it might take a little longer than a regular installation. So just kind of let it do its thing. Go grab a cup of coffee or something. So once this comes up, just hit next. And I actually already have it installed. I'm not gonna go ahead and reinstall it, but what you can do, I believe it comes up with two options: USB only and USB plus serial. Go ahead and do the USB plus serial. I'll just click repair. It's not broken, but that's alright. And then go ahead and install it. Let the progress bar go. It's going to take just a little bit to copy everything over and get everything you need. So just sit tight for a minute. Maybe another minute. Anyway, just I'm just blabbering here because I have nothing else to do while I'm waiting. Alright, we're done. Go ahead and click finish. And if it gives you this warning here, just close that window. That's for a Flash plugin that we're not going to concern ourselves with at this point in time. Alright, let's go ahead and install ActivInspire. Run. And here we go. Almost. There we go. Go ahead and click next. And again, I have already installed this, but I believe at this point, sorry, there is the license agreement. Go ahead and agree to it because you can't do anything unless you do. Then click next or install or whatever the next affirmative button is. And let it do its thing. Alright, and it's done. For those of you wanting the resource packs, the templates, backgrounds, all that fun stuff, it's back one level and it's just right here in resource packs. So you can just either go through and pick and choose the ones you want, or just copy the entire thing, although it's gonna probably take a while because I believe it's it's over a gig, so it might take a while to transfer, but you could do it, you know, on a planning period or something like that. Just transfer that to your computer on a folder, and then just tell ActivInspire where to find those resource packs. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions with this installation or any other technology concerns, please feel free to send me an email or give me a call, stop me in the hall, whatever. Until then, this is Jason signing off.